how to create infographic in Canva. So first, go to Canva, and then once you log into your account, you can just click on templates here. So here, you can create your own infographic from scratch if you want. But as for this tutorial, let's just make a infographic from templates. Okay, so let's just search for infographic, and then here you can see a lot of templates here that you can use to begin creating your infographic. Okay, so we're not going to copy them. We can just select a template and then change them up to become our original creation, right? So for example, I'm going to use this one. Click on that, and then click on customize this template. Okay, now once you're here, you can just begin customizing your template. As you can see, once you hover your mouse over them, there are boxes that shows here. That means you can change all of those. You can begin changing the photos here, the text, the fonts, the colors as well. So just customize it however you want until you like your creation, and then you can just download it, and that's it. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.